Alright guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create an LLC within the state of New York. It's going to be a very fast and simple process. We are going to be using Tailor Brands to do it. Tailor Brands does not charge you anything extra in creating your LLC. So you just need to pay your state filing fee as if you have to pay the state filing fee if you were to do it through the state as well. But they just take care of all that um, paperwork through the government websites. You have to do it yourself. Less complicated, very easy. I've created my own LLCs through Tailor Brands and I've never had an issue with it. I've also created my EIN, which they do provide that for you. Um, I've done my EIN with them, which is your employer identification number. This is issued to you by the IRS and is basically your business's social security number. You're going to need it to open up business bank accounts, hire pay employees under your business, and later down the line for taxes. Um, so yeah, if you're interested, I have a link down in the description. Click it and follow along with me as I go on my computer and show you step by step how to do it. So once you click the link in the description, it's gonna take you here to Tailor Brands website, and we're gonna choose a state, which we're doing. So let's look for New York. Then New York, let's get started. Now here we're gonna put the name of our business, which is gonna make into our LLC. Awesome. So our name was available, and we can go next. Okay, here. So Tailor Brands will be asking a few questions regarding our business. Just answer them to the best of your ability. Doesn't affect the outcome of your LLC processing at all. So just pick what fits you best. So here they're asking what stage is our business in right now. Are we already in business? Is it just an idea? Are we taking the first steps to starting it, about to launch? It doesn't matter. So I'm just put already in business. Okay, on this next page, they're asking us what industry is our business in. Personally, I sell on Amazon, so let me just type in Amazon, and it's right there. Next, they're asking what does our business offer, whether it be physical goods or a service. So I do goods. If your business does both, you can select both, vice versa. If it's something unique, you can add that down here. Just click next. They're asking, are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? I'm gonna put not sure. If you know you are, just put yes. If you know you're gonna be solo. Next is, have you set an annual income goal for your business? Is it less than 80, more than $80,000? Or I don't know. I'll just put I don't know. Next, you can add your business or home postal code. I never put it. I'll put online to do e-commerce. If you're a brick and mortar, you can select this as well. Or if you're on the go, you can select that one. Next, you're asking what you're planning to do for your business. Of course, you're getting our LLC, but they do provide you a bunch of different services, such as the EIN, which I mentioned to you earlier, licenses and permits, insurance for your business. You need a website. They have it here as well. A trademark for your business name. So we're gonna stick with LLC and move on. I'll show you LLC will come. The EIN will come up a little later on. This is just a checklist to see what you got for your business. We're just going for our LLC, so this doesn't matter at all. Next, they're asking how did you discover Tailor Brands. If you're watching this video, just put YouTube. Here they offer a 12-week coaching program. If you're new to the business world, I say take advantage of it. It is free. But right now we're just going to select no. Okay, here we're gonna be creating an account with Tailor Brands. This is how they're gonna be relaying information back to us regarding our LLC. So let's fill this out. Okay, once we're finished making an account, next pages will be talking about opening up a EIN. You remember you could do it yourself. It is free. You do have to navigate through the IRS.gov website and apply for it there. I've had the complications. I recommend that you go this route. They do charge you $99. So if not, just put I'll handle it myself. Here's just a little reminder, just letting you know without it, you cannot open up a business bank account. All right, on the next slide, they're telling you to assign your registered agent as required in the state of New York. So, what is a registered agent? This is basically going to be the person who's going to be receiving all the paperwork and documents regarding your LLC from the government or the state. So you can assign yourself as your registered agent under your LLC. So the state will just send you the paperwork, just like annual renewal. You have to renew your LLC. So here you could put appoint a different registered agent. Also, the agent has to be within the state of New York, which you're filing the LLC. If you're not in the state in which you're filing the LLC, Tailor Brands does provide that service, which they have an agent within the state. They'll get all the paperwork and just relay it back to you. So here I just appoint a different registered agent, which you can make yourself. Next, they're talking about to keep your good standing status in New York within annual compliance. So annual compliance, in other terms, is your renewal, annual renewal. Um, Tailor Brands can take care of that for you if you want, but it's something so simple. So you put, I'll handle the compliance yourself. As the agent, you will get a notice in the mail, and they'll just tell you to renew your LLC. So here they're talking of a branding toolkit. This comes like a domain, create logos, website. This is what we saw earlier, so we don't need this right now. They also do provide expedited filing time, so you can get it within 2 days, but you have to, they charge you $49. That's attached there. But if you have the money, go for it. If not, you can wait 14 days to get it assessed. All right, next is to establish your LLC rules with an operating agreement. So this is the saying who's going to be within the LLC, what person is getting, what persons in what position within the LLC, how do profits get split amongst individuals within the LLC. Um, if you're solo within your LLC, you really don't need this because you'll be on top and that's it. Um, they do charge you $29 to do it. I figured you guys can do this yourself, so I'll figure it out myself. Here's another thing they offer, which is a folder that comes tailored towards your business, like a hard copy legal documents and tax paperwork. Keeps everything nice. It looks pretty. But right now we don't need this, so let's click next. Here, so that you know if you want to get notified on your business, on like the whole process, they'll send you a text message regarding the process of the LLC. So let's get notified. Okay, and here is it. This is the last page. So we're paying nothing extra. And the state filing fee for New York is $205. So, and when you have to renew your LLC, you have to pay that $205 as well. Just a heads up there. As we go down, if you want to do the 2-day expedited filing, you can select that here. If not, you can leave that unchecked. This just checked right here. This is invoicing and bookkeeping. It is a 30-day free trial. After that, they will charge you. Just a heads up with it. If you just to cancel after 30 days, if not, you like the service, keep it. If you don't want to get involved, just leave that unchecked. And then down here is the EIN. The one thing I do recommend you guys get. So if you're to do it, you see it does not reflect on the due today. You don't see it reflect on it, right? So your LLC has to be processed first for you to then work on your LLC, your EIN. I mean, once your LLC is already done being processed, Tailor Brands will then provide you the service and doing your EIN for you and charge you then. So here's that. After you pay, it'll take you to the another 2 pages or so where you have to fill out more information about yourself and the business, and that's about it. Your LLC is already being processed. That took us, what, 10 minutes to do. That's how quick it was. Hopefully, you followed along and you had it done right now. And if you found this helpful, leave a like. Any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I appreciate it if you subscribe and share this video with any friends or family members trying to start something up themselves. All right, guys.